Katikkiro yaffe, abakungu bonna bali wano, bamaama ne bataata, basenga ne bakojja, bannyinaze n'abaana baffe bonna. Nsanyuse nnyo okubandaba bonna. Erinnya lyange Miriam Otengo, ndi mwana w'Eggulu, mbalira. Naye mwebale nnyo okukuza e Buganda. Our dear Katikkiro, it's a great honor to be here tonight, representing the Uganda High Commission at this great gathering. As earlier mentioned, my name is Miriam Otengo. I head a docket in commercial and economic diplomacy. And I represent the High Commissioner, who was really so much wanting to be here tonight, but due to other earlier signed programs, she wasn't able to be here tonight. But she sends to you all our warm regards. As a representative of the government in the United Kingdom, I would first of all like to appreciate the leadership of Uganda in the United Kingdom. We've got so many reasons as a people to thank Uganda Kingdom. Most of our people, when they get abroad, they forget home. I normally tell people that my culture is my identity, and my identity is my heritage. For this reason, I would like to thank the government of Uganda for the way they have upheld our culture, and we are able to identify as a strong people that was well established by our forefathers, and we are able to stand on the strong ground as a people. Buganda government has been in partnership with the government of Uganda in so many ways in the development cause of the country. We do not forget to appreciate you in the socio-economic development. The government of Uganda have been partnering with government in delivering services to the people, and so is the small government in the United Kingdom working with us to put the people of Uganda together for developmental goals. Thank you to you so much. Having thanked you so much, I would love to let you know the government's agenda that may resonate with you tonight. Missions abroad have been mandated to Ghana Ugandans to invest back home. And our journey of investment, we are looking at the 4 pillars. And these 4 pillars are, we call them the ATM, just like the places you always withdraw money. The A meaning agriculture, the T meaning tourism, and the M is mineral development, the S will then be science and technology. It's indeed a privilege that when I got here and the deputy to the Katikkiro was introduced as a minister in charge of science and technology, we are in the right place, because without science and technology, we are not able to competitively move at the world's pace. This is a great reason to know that the government of Uganda thinks of its people as we try to get space into the global village. And as a people of Uganda, I would like to request you that you need to focus on these areas. Back home, we need to support the people back home in all these areas. You are our ambassadors as a country. Each one of you has a place that he or she works, and you can tap the resources from there. The expertise that you have can build the nation back home. We are calling all our experts to go and volunteer back home and show us the best practices. I know we may be lagging behind as a people, but when we get people like you coming home to support us, we can move and reach where the world is going. Your support back home is very much important. When we look at the tourism sector, our thanks as government goes to Buganda Kingdom. Buganda Kingdom has got something called the Buganda Heritage Tourism Board, which is very rich, a lot of cultural heritage that we normally showcase to the world. With Kasubitum being a world heritage that has been identified by UNESCO, and we are so proud of that. And we want to thank you for preserving this. It's not only for people of Uganda, but it's for a nation as a whole. So we want to thank you so very much for preserving history and moving on so that our children and children's children can bear our history as well. In the areas of mineral development, all of you are called to come. Uganda is a country gifted by nature. You all know right from the soils of Uganda, our soil is not the kind of soil that's found anywhere in the world. In Uganda, you can do commercial agriculture without adding anything to the soil. It's open for you. Elizabeth, who was earlier the MC here, is doing well in agriculture. And Lizzie, we want to thank you very much because you're a good example of the bakungu of the baby. If we emulate what she's doing, and quite a number of you are engaging in a lot of activities back home, we want to give you the good news that the government of Uganda in the United Kingdom, that is Uganda High Commission, is more than ready to support you in your investment journey. There are a lot of incentives that are in for all the sectors that I mentioned earlier for Ugandans. Some of you may say, oh, but I'm British, I am not dual. Earlier in the year, about May, there was an executive order that was made by the president calling upon every person of a Ugandan descent to get registered and have the ID. Irrespective of your nationality, you are a person of Ugandan descent and therefore you benefit from so much in the country. I am equally happy to announce that those who registered in September, the IDs have returned and we started issuing out yesterday. So for those of you who haven't registered, even your 1-year-old child is free to register, but they will not have the national ID. They will have a registration number so that in the days ahead, if they so wish to be Ugandans, they can claim with a clear background of descent. I wouldn't want to bore you so much with very many talks, but for anybody who's interested in knowing some of these things, I am more than ready to have a discussion with you, and we are always open to have a discussion with you at Uganda High Commission. So I thank you very much for listening to me. May the good Lord bless you all. Thank you very much.